Alright, this is the finished product. We just got finished putting the getting the concrete in, so it's still a little wet. Let me back up a little bit so you can see. This one we had a little bit of issues with. You see the little pop out right there where it bumps out. A 36 deep well wouldn't have worked because of that pop out. So we had to custom order a 48 inch well, so it stuck out a little more, so that we could get our 36 inches of headroom of clearance, because from the back to the front you need 36 inches of headroom to once you escape your hole. Pull the safety grate off. That safety grate is strong enough to hold me. I'd like to say 237. But there we go. You rode with us from the beginning, then you'll see how challenging this was to start. And it's the kind of job that we take on. Challenging, unique. We like the basic stuff, don't get me wrong. But we can do the challenging and the quirky. Give us a call. Colorado Native Sons, 720-338-9755. Or visit us on the web, www.colo-nativesons.com, or at Facebook at coloradonativesons.com. Also, you can see us on Instagram at Colorado Native Sons, or I think that's all we got. Because I'm also that guy too. All right, thanks.